Landlords shut door on Filipinos here in Dubai. Hi guys, good morning. Thank you for watching English Carabao. Today pag-uusapan natin ay ang paboritong ulam o pagkain ng Pilipino. Walang iba kundi ang toyo. Alam nyo ba na ang toyo ay napakalaking issue ngayon dito sa Dubai, lalo na yung sa mga gustong mag-rent out ng mga apartments at parang ganun. Ang gulo ko. Pero ito yung kwento. This is from the Gulf News, a local newspaper here in Dubai. Aligasyon nga ng mga Pilipino na sabi ng mga real estate agents are refusing to rent out Filipinos in some certain buildings here in Dubai, and our dried fish delicacy is partly to blame. Actually, Filipinos is one of the biggest Asian community here in Dubai, and some of the reasons why these landlords doesn't want Filipinos to rent out their apartments is because Filipinos are prone to overcrowding. So, meaning, magre-rent out ng apartment, but then overcrowded ang nangyayari. Parang pinapa-rent out kasi natin with other co-Filipinos. So, magulo. And another one reason is this. Because we Filipinos are cooking a foul smell. Allegedly cooking foul smell food. Yun nga yung sinasabi kong tuyo. There's this something stinky food you Filipinos are cooking that are really so we cannot bear at all. This is tuyo. Baho nga. Pero masarap ah. Actually, even Indian real estate agent in International City Properties says that Filipinos are really cooking tuyo or dried fish. But then, he cannot blame Filipinos, to cook that because that's one of their favorite Filipino dish or delicacy. Is it delicacy? Because he also believed that even Indians, there are some food, or they have some food that, other nationalities can't bear. Yung amoy nga. So, real estate agents are not actually, complaining about Filipinos cooking tuyo in their apartment. But then, since that's the instruction coming from their landlords, or from their boss or bosses, so they have to follow. So ano naman ang mga komento ng mga kabayan nating Pilipino dito sa Dubai tungkol nga sa balitang ito na Filipinos are parang pinagbabawalan na mag-rent out ng apartments dito sa Dubai gawa nga nitong stinky smell food natin na tuyo. Sabi ng isang Pilipino, well, tama naman yun. Talagang Filipinos likes and love to eat tuyo. So aside from overcrowding, isama na nilang pagiging masayahin na dahilan para hindi tayo, para hindi daw pag-rent out din, para hindi mag-rent ang mga Pilipino ng mga apartments sa Dubai. Kasi nga, talagang masayahin ng mga Pilipino. So, kasama yung ingay. Tayo kasi kahit konting okasyon lang, actually, mahilig tayong gumawa ng okasyon para lang mag-celebrate. Aba! At pati pala sa Saudi, talagang nakarating na ang issue na ganito. Pati hindi pa naman humantong doon sa part na pinagbabawalan ng mga landlords ang mga Pilipino na mag-rent sa mga apartments nila. But then, Emiratis or Arabs people doesn't really like the smell of toyo or dried fish na kinakain natin mga Pilipino. Hindi pa sila kumakain ng toyo. Hindi nga yata. Well, actually guys, just a personal note, hindi naman talaga siya nakaband yung mga Pilipino na mag-rent ng mga apartment dito sa Dubai. Yun ang tingin ko eh. So far, actually some landlords likes Filipino na mag-rent nga ng apartments nila because mas maalaga tayo sa bahay. Kumbaga mas malinis tayo. Alam mo yun? Yun ang Pilipino. Kumpara sa ibang lahi na alam mo yun, halo-halo na lang. Sige, labo-labo ni mga gamit dyan. Diba? I think this is not true. Maybe some allegation on a certain situation na, syempre, news is news. Kumbaga, gumawa lang ng isang anggulo na maaaring pag-usapan, but then, I don't believe that it is really official na Filipinos are really banned to rent an apartment here in Dubai.
Ew!
Okay, so ito naman payo ng isang Pilipino na since tayo ang dayo dito sa Dubai, if nabalitaan natin ayon ng mga Arabo na tayo inagluluto ng daing, not daing is my favorite. Tayo nagluluto ng tuyo na mabaho sa kanilang mga pang-amoy o ilong, dapat daw tayo, mga Pilipino, mag-adjust. So now that it is, been used in Gulf news na Middle Eastern people doesn't like the smell of dried fish na kinakain natin, so we should adjust. Okay, isa pang comment na isang Pinoy din na kung ina-actionan nila yung pagkain ng mga Pilipino ng tuyo dahil mabaho at gagawa sila ng statement that they are not allowing Filipinos to rent out their apartments, dapat gumawa din sila ng aksyon sa mga public transportation natin dito sa Dubai. Dapat ma-adjust din yung mga amoy ng ibang tao. Kasi nga, di ba, have you tried taking a metro, tapos lalo na yung rush hour, uwian? My goodness, dikit-dikit kayo, and then front of you, even at your back, your left side and your right side. Parang alam mo, kung pwede na lang talagang maglako ka na lang at mag-ninja ka para mawala ka sa sitwasyon na yun, sana gugustuhin mo kasi talagang sobrang baho. So, dapat hindi masyadong focus lang sila doon sa attention ng Filipinos alone, or because of Filipinos cooking tuyo lang ang issue. They should make it a general statement that they don't like mabaho.
Hindi nga. Seryoso yan? Nabalita ha?
Okay, sabi nga na isang kabayan natin from Riyadh, sinasabi niya na sa Riyadh naman daw, nagluluto sila ng daing, ng tuyo, kahit pa nga bagoong. So far, wala naman daw reklamong ganun na pertaining to Filipinos na, yung tungkol sa kinakain natin. So, for them, it's not a big issue actually. But then, we're wondering why here in Dubai, they came up with this news. Parang, is it a big deal? I know medyo discrimination kasi yung nangyari with yung family. Kasi yung kwento sa news was, there was this one family that wanted to rent somewhere, I don't know if it's somewhere in international city or not. But then, parang ni-refuse kasi sila na, we don't accept Filipinos because my landlord says, you're cooking some, foul smell Filipino food. So, as much as possible, we are avoiding Filipino to rent out the apartment. So, parang yun lang. It's actually just a single event. But then, syempre, since Filipino kasi tayo, konting kantil lang sa atin kasi, pinapalaki natin yung issue. So, never mind it. I think this is not a big issue to talk about.
Peace na lang sa lahat.
Well, I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching English Karapo. Ito, i-komento lang ng mga kapwa natin Pilipino regarding nga doon sa napabalita na Filipinos are banned to rent out apartments here in Dubai due to our favorite tuyo. So, guys, yun lang. Last word ko lang is, actually, this is not official announcement or statement. Okay? So, Filipinos can still rent apartments here in Dubai. So if there are some real estate agents saying that they don't accept us Filipinos to rent out in their buildings, then ang dami pang building na mas magaganda. Let's say kung international city yung pinag-uusapan na yun, although I'm not sure but if it's really international city yung pinag-uusapan, well, wag kayong pumunta doon kasi nga talagang yung lugar na yun ay punong-puno ng mababahong amoy. Okay? So I know there are some Filipinos are also renting out there because I tried finding, and with a friend, naghanap nga kami ng apartment dyan. When I check some buildings talagang Pakistani, mga Indiano, kung ano-ano pang lahing nandun. So, siguro gusto nilang i-populate lang yung lugar na yun of their nationalities. Hanap kayo sa iba pang area na napakalaki ng Dubai para maghanap ng mas magaganda pang apartment. Diba? Yun lang po. Bye! Have a nice day to everyone. Mabuhay!